E2DNY, Real World HVAC Simplified. And now in this video I'll be showing you how to gain access to the factory menu on this here Multistack chiller. Okay, so if you're in the field and there's any reason why you would need to access the factory menu, I'm gonna show you how to do that, including the password. Okay, so that's the on and off control. This is going to be a quick video regarding factory. So this is what you have in the menu. All right, so this is what you get. See, so you scroll up and down, and whatever you want, the indicator will point to it as you go up and down. All right, so let's go into system variables. Let's enter into that, and we're going to scroll down to factory setup. All right, because there's not much you can do in the chiller setup in this menu. It's limited what you can do in that menu. So we got to go into the factory setup, right? So we scroll down. So we're at factory setup. Press enter. Now if you try to make a change, see that password? So the password is, that's good, or so it's air 19. Okay, air 19 is the password. So there you go, air 19. You can take a screenshot of that. Multistack. So I'm gonna press enter now. So now I'm in. If I want to change this, now I can. See, low temp or standard. So I'm gonna leave it on low temp. I can go low temp because I have glycol in the system and not water. So now my freeze protection is way lower. I'm just going to go through it. I'm not going to explain every setting in detail. I'm just going to scroll through so you see what's there. You need to access it. Okay, this particular chiller is a water cooled chiller. So this is what we have in the factory menu. Gonna be a short video, not a long video. I figure I was here doing a service call on this chiller, and so I figure I just do a quick video on that. Real time, real world, real HVAC. So I'm going to escape from this, and if we go up here, you have your time and date information. You can change that. It's good to have the time and date correct, because in the case of faults, you want to know exactly when it occurred. So we're going to chiller setup. That's another menu, and this is where you set up your control sensors, whether you want it to be controlled by the leave-in or the entering. This is currently set to leave-in, but this you can access without the password.